Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Data Executor. First, understand that Data Executor is a powerful tool designed to streamline your data management workflows. It automates complex data operations, ensuring accuracy and efficiency across your systems. This platform is essential for anyone looking to achieve seamless data integration and processing, saving countless hours of manual effort. It provides a centralized hub for all your data execution needs, making it an indispensable asset. To begin, setting up Data Executor involves three main steps. First, download the installation package from the official website. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation, which typically takes less than 5 minutes. Finally, configure your initial settings by connecting your primary data sources. This ensures Data Executor can access and process your information effectively from day one, providing a solid foundation for your data tasks. Executing data tasks is straightforward. Start by creating a new task within the intuitive user interface. Here, you can define your specific data operations, such as transformations, migrations, or aggregations, using the built-in tools. You can then schedule these tasks to run automatically at desired intervals, perhaps daily or weekly, ensuring your data is always up to date and processed with 99% accuracy. This automation frees up valuable time. Maintaining optimal performance involves regular monitoring. Access the task logs to view the status of all executed operations and identify any potential issues. If an error occurs, the system provides clear messages to help you troubleshoot quickly. You can also optimize performance by reviewing resource usage and adjusting task priorities. This proactive approach ensures your data workflows run smoothly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.